Meaning of furtively.
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 Furtively. Furtively is an adverb that describes behavior that is done in a secretive or sneaky manner, usually to avoid being discovered or noticed by others. Someone who is furtive might move quickly and quietly, avoid eye contact, or try to conceal what they are doing. This type of behavior can be associated with dishonesty, secrecy, or paranoia. It can also create a sense of tension or suspicion in others, as they may wonder what the furtive person is trying to hide. In summary, furtively describes actions that are performed in a cautious and stealthy manner.